This one is a 1958 Smith Corona Sterling in excellent condition. Looks like it's barely ever been used, and it works perfectly. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions, make sure they all work. It's got a paper tray back here, and it's got the margins right here. You just push them with a finger like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Get back to the beginning, you hit this line space and push it, and it brings you back to the beginning of the margin. It has the capability to skip 1, 2, or 3 spaces by using this lever here. We're going to keep it on single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Very smooth typing machine. If you've ever typed on a Sterling, you will know that these are excellent typers. Type a sentence in red. This one has a black and red ribbon. To switch to red, you just flip this switch down here. Perfect typer. Print is beautiful. Do a close up on the print. Close up on the machine is almost flawless. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. If you want to pull the paper out real quick, you just flip this lever forward and you can just pull it right out like that. And that also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or card stock. It's got a backspace here on the top left. Works great. It's got a tab function. To set the tab, you just pull this back, and it's got these little tabs that you just put wherever you want. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them back here. You can put wherever you want. And then once you set them, it'll stop at each one of those tabs like that. Works good. We've already done the ribbons color selector. Let's open the hood. You got a touch control right here. The higher you go, the more resistance you got when you hit the keys. This lever is for the ribbon direction. Right now it's pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbon is on the left. So to switch it, if you want to switch it the direction, you just flip that up and it'll start pulling to this side. We want to keep it pulling to that side. And it works great. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.